We have a team of correspondents covering the blizzard of 2015. First, we'll go to Don Dahler in New York, where the entire subway system is about to close. Don?
Yes, Scott, the last time New York City saw snowfall like what's being predicted for tonight was February 2006. 26.9 inches fell and virtually shut down the city. The mayor warns that tonight's storm might even be worse.
I want everyone to understand that we are facing most likely one of the largest snowstorms in the history of this city, in the recorded history of this city. The early projections for this storm are that it would easily be as much as 2 feet of snow, potentially pushing on closer to 3 feet of snow.
Mayor de Blasio declared a state of emergency for the entire city. At 11 tonight, all non-emergency vehicles will be banned from city streets. CBS 2's political reporter Marcia Kramer live tonight in Midtown with more of what the mayor said. Marcia.
Well, Dana, take a look at the conditions out here. It's snowing, it's gusty, and look what it's done to the streets. They're icy, they're mushy. This is the things that proves the point of why Mayor de Blasio wants to get all the cars and trucks off the streets. He wants emergency vehicles to be able to get through. And by the way, the ban also means no takeout after 11 o'clock because he doesn't want those takeout bicycles there.
People have to make smart decisions from this point on, careful decisions, recognize this as an emergency. It is not business as usual. And if my fellow New Yorkers join me in doing the smart and safe thing, we are all going to get through this okay.